What really happens if you swallow a handful of raw rice first thing in the morning? Does it simply pass through your body? Or does your digestive system have to work much harder to deal with it? The moment you chew raw rice, your teeth begin breaking the hard grains into smaller pieces. But unlike cooked rice, those grains haven't gone through the softening effects of cooking. As you swallow, the pieces move through your throat and into the esophagus. Muscular contractions then push the food downward toward your stomach. And here's an important point. Eating it on an empty stomach doesn't create a special digestive pathway. Your digestive system still follows its normal sequence. Inside the stomach, the raw rice mixes with digestive fluids and is gradually churned. But the hard structure of uncooked grains can make the starch less accessible than it would be after cooking. Think of cooked rice as starch that has already been softened by heat. Raw rice is more like a tightly packed little capsule. As the stomach continues its normal movements, some of the rice is broken down mechanically. But not every grain will be completely broken down in the stomach. Eventually, the mixture moves into the small intestine. This is where most nutrient digestion and absorption takes place. Digestive enzymes continue breaking carbohydrates into smaller molecules that can be absorbed through the intestinal lining. But because raw rice hasn't been cooked, some of its starch may remain less accessible to digestion. That means the digestive process can be different from what happens with properly cooked rice. Whatever isn't fully digested continues through the intestinal tract. Your body doesn't simply absorb every particle that enters your stomach. In the large intestine, material that remains can interact with the community of microorganisms naturally living there. And this is where things get interesting. The final result depends on how much was eaten, how thoroughly it was chewed, and how your individual digestive system handles it. There's another reason raw rice deserves attention. Uncooked grains can potentially carry microorganisms, including Bacillus cereus spores, which are associated with foodborne illness. And physically, hard uncooked grains can also be difficult to chew and swallow safely. So this isn't a food that needs to be eaten raw to make digestion more effective. So what happens when you eat raw rice on an empty stomach? Mostly, your digestive system simply tries to process it like any other food, but its uncooked structure changes how accessible its starch is. If you enjoy science-based videos that show what really happens inside your body, subscribe to Anatomy Buzz for more.